Hey everyone, my name is Vinny Cressito and I'm the founder of Justify Local. Today I'm going to walk you through how to complete a successful video verification for your Google business profile. I know this process can feel stressful, especially when your listing is not live yet and Google keeps asking for more proof. The goal of this video is to show you what exactly Google needs to see so you can give yourself the best chance at getting verified on the first attempt. At Justify Local, this is what we specialize in. We work with businesses all across the country, helping with verifications, suspensions, reinstatement for disabled profiles, profile optimization, local visibility, and much more. I'm also involved in the Google Product Expert program, so we deal with these issues every single day. If you watch this and still need more help, you can always reach out to me at vinny@justifylocal.com, and I'll leave that in the description below. Now, in this example, one of my team members is completing a video verification for our law firm client in Rockford, Illinois. This is a satellite office, so we had to be very intentional about showing what exactly Google needs to see and making sure it's the right proof. Before you start recording, there are a few things you need to prepare. First, you want to lock any door that you have a key to. That could be the main office door, suite door, private office, back room, storefront entrance. Google just wants to see that you have real access to the space, so unlocking a door with a physical key on camera is one of the strongest possible ways to prove ownership that you're authorized in that space. Second, make sure your signage is ready and visible. The more permanent signage you have, the better. That could be exterior signage, vinyl lettering on the glass, your business name on the building directory, a suite sign, a door plaque, or interior signage with your business name, or all of them. Honestly, the more signage that you have for your business on property, the better. Third is to have any business proof ready so that when you begin, you are all set to go. Depending on your business, that could be licenses, certificates, branded materials, office equipments, business documents, products, inventory, tools, or anything else that shows this is a real operating business.
Essentially, just enough substantial proof so Google can verify your business successfully.
The key is to set yourself up before you hit record. Once the video starts, you do not want to stop, pause, restart, or scramble around looking for proof. To begin, you want to open your mobile device and go to the Google Business Profile that needs to be verified.
That will be found under the Google My Business Profile dashboard. And you want to make sure that either the primary owner or an owner is the only one to submit this video.
Inside the verification flow, you should see an option that says Start the Video Verification. This video must be recorded directly through Google's verification tool. Do not record it separately on your phone and try to upload it later. It needs to be one continuous video that's unedited and recorded through Google's system, because any other way is not possible or will result in a failed verification.
After you record the video, you hit submit and then wait. Do not close that screen until it says upload complete. If you close it early, the whole thing fails and you're starting over. One last tip from me personally. Even though Google makes you record it live through their system, you might want to take an additional verification video saved on your phone. Just keep it as a backup. This is in case you run into hiccups down the road with your profile and you have it ready to submit on future support tickets with Google Business Profile support staff. They'll save you the headache. That's the whole process. Thanks for sticking with me. My name is Vincent Cressito and I'm the founder of Justify Local. We manage Google Business Profiles for law firms and service-based businesses every day, verification included, and we would love to help you out if you need any of our assistance. Follow me for more and reach out anytime.